So I got to take this pulley off to release it off the clutch on the engine. This is the belt system that runs all the blades. There's a tensioner right here with a spring. Not sure, hopefully you can see it. Spring is here, tension is here. There's a bar behind it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on this, take the pressure off the belt, and then lift the belt off of here, which will release the pressure off the engine. So, I'm going to pull it off. There we go. I got a pry bar that's pushing against the pulley, the tension pulley. And then also it is, there's a bar back there, so it's giving me some leverage to loosen this. Now I'll be able to take the belt off the clutch assembly, and then there's another one back here. I'll show you in a second. I'm going to move the camera where I got to loosen another belt, take the two belts off. So I'm going to stop, position, and start again. So same thing here. There's a tensioner pulley right here. I'm going to take the pressure off of it by pushing it away from the belt, and I'm going to drop this belt up here. I don't know if you can see it. My fat head's probably in the way, but there's a belt up here that's a drive belt. There's a tensioner right behind it. I'm going to take the pressure off the tensioner and pop that belt off. I got the pry bar against the pulley. Careful with your fingers. You don't want to get them caught. Okay. Got that guy off. And this one here is already loose. So I can take him off and drop him down. This one I can't take off yet. So I take the nut off and drop this assembly down. That'll be next. So I'm going to start getting ready for it. I'll start the video and try to get the camera in a better position. But as you can see, this is the clutch system right here for the blades. I'm going to take it off. Should come right off. With my luck, it'll probably be stuck. But it's keyed. Should slide right off. And then there's a pulley above it. I got to take it off. Be back. So things I had to take off. Ground wire here. Power wire here. This guy got to undo. This goes to the motor timer. This was this guy right here. Goes around this side. That is to your choke. This one here goes over here. That is for your throttle. Does have a vacuum line that it uses for the gas tanks. Got to put that on. It's going to go in a different spot. Went on here, on this one, and it's going to go underneath on the other one over here. Disconnected the fuel. Cable, fuel,